Virgo. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, reading natin is January 18, 2026. New Moon. May New Moon po. At ang message niya ay about long-term goal. Yeah? Long-term goal. At saka prepare for new growth at opportunity. Yan po ang message ng New Moon on January 18. So, tignan natin. Also, taking responsibility. Tignan po natin ang message for Virgo. Virgo, January 18, New Moon message para sa iyo, Virgo. Mga hardworking, perfectionist, Virgo sign. Yes? Ang mga sharp-minded, matatalino, full of wisdom, full of knowledge, Virgo. The Hermit. New Moon, January 18. What Virgo needs to know. Bigyan natin ng magandang reading. So, shout out po, fellow OFW. Kamusta? Ingat po tayo. January 18. Give me one card. Give me one card for Virgo. Yeah? Bumaliktad. Ayan, nakita ko. Nasaan siya? See? Yeah, award. New beginning. So, long-term goal mo, recognize, to be recognized, to have that, decision in your favor. Yes? Gusto mo palaging winning moments ka, claim that. So, kung yan ang gusto mo, victory, all throughout 2026, walang masama. Go for it. Yeah. Everybody deserve this type of moment. Yeah. Virgo, hardworking ka. Again, sinasabi ko, alam mong mag-araro. Yes. So, hindi ka magiging winning moments kung hindi ka naging atleta na yan. Mountain, ang meaning niyan sa tarot po is yan yung pangarap natin. Sige nga, tumakbo kayo dito at kamukha ng ibang atleta. Discipline. That requires a lot of discipline. Tama po ba? Yeah, magpa-practice yung mga Olympiad. 4 years, bata pa lang sila, 10 years old, 9 years old, pero lalaban sila when they reach a certain age. Yeah. Tapos yung competition will last only for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah. And that's a lot of preparation. So, Virgo, yun ang ginawa mo rito. Yun ang ginawa ng Virgo nasa harapan ko. Ituloy natin. Kung ito yung gusto mong makamit, go for it. Go for it, Virgo. You deserve it. You deserve that. Okay, long-term goal is set mo and take responsibility. Kung ano man yung mga palpak na desisyon natin, kasama yan, learning lesson in life. Yeah? Okay, in full circle, bagong taon, bagong panimula. Yeah, I will say it parang sirang plaka po. Yes? So, reset tayo. New Moon, January 18. What Virgo needs to know. Tignan natin what to expect. Virgo, give me a good reading. Long-term goal, taking responsibility, prepare for new growth and opportunities. Winner ka na kaagad. First card pa lang. Yeah? Dealing with Gemini, kung meron kang intention na mag-asawa na, Virgo, okay, tingnan ko lang kung merong na, message. Yeah. Dealing with Gemini, new partnership. Okay, anong winning moments yan? Okay? Ano itinanim mo? It's always about the intention and yung ginawa natin. Yeah? Ito, towards January 18. Yes? Yan ang timeline yan. Victory because yung in-applyan mo, nagustuhan ka, ang laki ng sweldo ng binigay sa'yo. Yung promotion na hinihintay mo, natanggap mo, binigyan ka ng award, that's a partnership. At negosyo, that's a partnership and award, winning moments, you have that victory. Yes? Okay. So, ano itinanim mo rito? Ano hiningi mo dito? Virgo, in the past few months or towards the end of the year, and you're planning to manifest and claim that victory again. Now, relationship, ganun din po yan. Itinatanim natin. Hindi tayo pupunta sa next level of relationship kung hindi tayo nakipag-away sa partner mo, sa boss mo, or sa kapitbahay mo, sa community. Now, you're undergoing a transformation and a formal relationship and commitment to each other. Yes? So this is setting vows, the lovers. Yeah, Gemini, if you're dealing with Gemini. So, you decided to move to the next level. Yeah? Magpapakasal na kayo. That's a long-term goal. Go for it. Yeah? Tignan natin. Tignan natin yung storyboard ni Virgo. Kung gusto mo magkaanak, that's also intention and that's also your plan. Go for it. That's also opportunity. Yep, Virgo, January 18. What you need to know. Okay, give me one card. Give me one card. Yep. May hangover pa yata si Virgo. Oh, okay. Sabi ko na nga ba, oh. Ano yung pinaproblema mo? Okay? Ano yung pinaproblema mo? Gusto mo makaalis dito. We don't like that headache. Yes? Again, it's only on your mind. Now, kung si Gemini is an air sign ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng problema. Depende po sa sitwasyon, okay? It's, the lovers can be a mutual exchange or it can be a crossroad. Yeah? So, sino ka rito, Virgo? Okay. Dalawa yung meaning yan sa tarot. It can be a crossroad. Yes? So, mukhang nakikita ko rito is a crossroad. Yes? Victory, ang blind spot mo is it's a crossroad for you before you can claim the victory. Yan ba yung istorya niya? Yan ba yung istorya niyan? Okay. Alamin natin. Tignan natin. Okay? But you set your intention. You're gonna win big. Ace of Pentacle. So, that's money, structure ng buhay, pera, and a solid love relationship, partnership. Ano yan? Itinanim at namunga at naging solid na pundasyon. Now, are you working on this relationship? Yan ba yung minamanifest mo to have that solid relationship? Kasi si Gemini ay binibigyan ka pa ng sakit ng ulo or si Virgo ang nagbibigay ng sakit ng ulo. Yeah, okay, nakabitin ka. Hangman. Okay? Siguro perspective ito. Okay, I'll just call it nakabitin ka. Hindi ka makapag-desisyon. Pinanonood mo yung mga paniki na nasa paligid mo. Ay, sige, mag-ano na tayo. Sumabit tayo sa puno. Tumunganga tayo. This is a classic case. Yes? Okay, Virgo, humor lang kita kasi alam mo magtrabaho. So, you know how to take jokes. You know, maski na you take life, realistic ka eh. You take life, parang grain of salt, you know? Pandagdag ng alat. Yes? But you're focused on your award and you're gonna get that. Yeah? You're gonna get that. Okay. Okay, let's see kung ano yung wino-workout mo. Let's see what Virgo na tinatrabaho niya rito. It's a relationship. Winning. It's a winning. Ngayon, meron ka lang, you have challenges here. Ano yung challenges mo? I don't want to deep dive yung challenges na nagpasakit ng ulo sa'yo dito. Yeah, I don't want to deep dive. Pero alam mo, nasa isip lang ito eh. Alam mo, hindi magiging totoo yan. Alam mo, hindi magiging totoo yan. In fact, ayaw mo lang lokohin yung sarili mo. But the thing is, bakit ka naghangman? Bakit parang naapektuhan ka? Bakit ka naghangman? Hindi ka maghahangman kung hindi ka naapektuhan. Okay. Because you're gonna make a huge decision. Yun siguro. You're gonna make a huge decision. Okay. Let's see. I one card. Blind spot, blind spot. Give me blind spot. Okay. Let's get one card. Blind spot. Isang card lang. Blind spot, blind spot. Give me blind spot kay Virgo. Hulihin natin siya. Virgo. Virgo. Anong blind spot? Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Yeah, okay. See? Magpahinga ka. Parang ito yung continuation yata to ng reading. Ikaw ba yung you're stressful last time. Okay. This is literally pahinga. Okay, Four of Swords, there's no need for you to fight. It's not worth it to fight. It's not worth it to fight. Alam mo kung kailan ka dapat makipagtalo o hindi. Focus on your victory. Alam mo that this is coming. Yung winning moments mo. In terms of career, ito yung tipong ninanakaw yung idea mo, and then somebody wants to take credit, backstabber, na maaaring hindi naman, pero it's playing on your head. Mga chismis-chismis, mga mga pollution sa social media, yeah, or sa news, yeah, okay. Take your time to relax kasi holiday, okay. See? Completion ka na, the world, okay. So what else you need to know? Okay? This is literally very kakausapin ko si Virgo, nasa harapan ko na three-dimensional realistically, okay? I don't think this is even a problem for you. Yeah? Knowing Virgo, perfectionist, alam niyang kailangan magdumi ng kuko para kumita at umasensyo at makapag-save. Alam niya yan. Alam mo trabahuhin yan. You are waiting for something here. Yes, the recognition. Maybe, I don't think are you looking for respect here? I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe, iba-iba po tayo ng istorya sa buhay. Now, you were affected by some of the news na naririnig mo. Yes? Medyo seloso. Meron nakikita akong selosa dito here. Yes? You're trying to weigh, kasi if you're dealing with Gemini, naghahanap ng duality. Virgo, sanay ka sa realistic, ayaw mo minsan ng mga kababawan. So, ngayon nagiging mababaw ka. Bumitin-bitin ka, you play with the games na you think will give you a different perspective. I think you did try here. You did try here. Nagsabihin ko na lang, nagpanggap-panggap ka na rin dito. Parang, kumbaga sa hindi mo yun ka-tribe, you're not on the same level, pero you want to play the rules by the book, very academic, so ginawa mo na rin, kumbaga sa Christmas party, nagsayaw-sayaw ka na rin, nagkanta-kanta ka na rin, you make a complete fool of yourself para lang to fit in. Yeah, okay? Because that's how you think na it will give you a different perspective. You did try. Okay, being Virgo, earth sign, alam mong lumaro sa reality ng buhay. So, ka na rin, nakisayaw ka na rin sa tugtugin. Yes? Hanggang sa napagod ka. Yes? So, it's also your take responsibility on that one. You made some popa, or you just realize na, okay, hindi pala sa akin ito. Something to that effect. Okay? If you're dealing with Gemini, yun din yung dahilan why you want to fit in. Because you want to save the relationship, or you're dealing with Gemini na very active on the social gathering. Now, hindi ka ganoon. Okay? If you're dealing with a relationship, sa trabaho, office setting, you're dealing with people like that, and you want to blend in. Yes? Definitely, because you're aiming for that. You're aiming for this one. Okay? Until you got tired and exhausted. Sabi ng card, January 18, new moon, long-term goal and prepare for new growth, what you did is you take ownership and responsibility. Natapos na siya. Yes? Bakit ko nasabing natapos na? Natapos na yung pagpapanggap mo to play their games. Yeah? To play in their rules. Yes? Now, it's time for you to claim that. Okay? I will show you why ko nasabing you claim that. Okay? You see, that's the world. Na-complete mo na yaan, cycle ng pagkukunwari, pakikipag-play the rules, etc. Yes? Now, focus on healing. Magpahinga ka. No problem. Wag ka nang makipaglaban muna. Yes, you play by the rules. And yung cathedral window, church is a structure. Sabi ng Biblia, magsimba, maghanda, magdasal. You follow the rules. No problem. Naka-apekto sa'yo, but you've done your homework. Okay? Focus on long term, your victory, and your award. Now, I'm gonna get the outcome. Okay? That's your long term. Yes, opportunity. Yes, tapusin mo na. 10 of sword. From 9 of sword, okay, ay yung camera, to 10. Tapusin mo na. It's no longer working. Okay, kausapin ko si Virgo na 3 dimension. 3 dimension ka eh. So, maintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Because that's how you deal with reality. You're a realistic person. Now, I need to see the outcome. Okay, outcome. Outcome. New moon, January 18. Okay. May hangover pa si Virgo dito. Okay. Give me one card. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Yeah, okay. Okay. Kunin ko siya. It's all about choices. Okay. I'm gonna get another one. Okay. May choices ka. Okay? Kaya sabi ko, nasa crossroad to. This is not, again, baka dalawang Virgo yung nakikita ko. Yung isang Virgo naka-crossroad. A lot of choices, yeah? Ito yung mga sabi-sabi, etc. down the line, yung pollution, yeah? Crossroad, Two of Sword is a crossroad. Seven of Cup is decision, choices. Kapag nasa crossroad tayo, we are picking up choices and decision, but you're gonna end it up soon, okay? No worry, yun ang nagpasakit sa ulo mo. Okay, so it's a validation. Now, I just want to see the outcome. Let's see, where will I pick up? Okay, kuha ko dito. Now, I want to see the outcome. Kuha tayo ng one last card. Bigyan natin ng good reading si Virgo. Oops, matigas ang ulo Okay. One last card. I just want to see the outcome. Give me one card. One card, Virgo. One card. Oops. Okay. I just want to see validation. Validation. One card. One card. Outcome. 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 Validation. Oops. Lumitaw. Ano yung lumitaw? That's 10 of sword. Okay. Pick upin ko siya. Okay. Nakita mo na yung 10 of sword sa isang deck ko. Okay. Inuulit niya lang. Inuulit niya lang. Tingnan ko baka may message pa. Last card. Last card. Meron bang tumaob? Okay. Last card. Okay. One last card. One last card. One last card. One last card. Outcome. 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 Give me Virgo. Give me Virgo. One card. Give Virgo one card. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Are you dealing with Taurus? Okay. If you're dealing with Taurus, okay. Support, help, related, money matter, or kumukuha ka ng energy kay kay Taurus, or okay, or you want to live alone. You like your independence. Okay. Yun ba hinahanap mo na crossroad if you want to stay in a relationship, or you rather na you want to be alone? Okay? Merong merong blind spot na hindi ko nakita rito. Okay. But it's not for everybody. Okay. Okay. Kuha pa ako ng isa. Saan ko ba kukunin? Here. Okay. Ituloy ko siya dito. One more card. One more card. I just want to see. One more validation. Okay. Okay, are dealing with Virgo. Okay, wisdom. Sabi ko, matalino ka, Virgo. Okay, ikaw ito. Okay, alam mo yung struktura mo. Alam mo who you are. Okay, itong Virgo nasa harapan ko, alam niya. Kilala mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Okay, huhulihin kita. Okay, one more. Alam mo, lumitaw yung card mo. Okay, introspection. Yeah, introspection. Kilala mo who you are. You know what you like. You know what you like. As a person, as a human being, you know who you are. Okay. Kaya lumitaw siguro yung Queen of Pentacles. Okay. I just want to see one more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Virgo. Yeah. Ituloy natin yung storyboard niya. New moon. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Ayaw mo magsalita, Ayaw magsalita. Okay. Isa pa. Give me one more. One more, Virgo. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Dealing with Gemini. Lumitaw na naman tong lover. Ayaw niya magsalita. Okay. So, you're dealing with Gemini, or you want to separate, or you found. Dalawa po. Hindi ko, something is ending and you want to make a choice. Yes, the universe is telling na it have to end. Yes, whatever it is, it have to end. Now, Gemini, lovers, tumilitaw na naman siya. It's a validation na baka nga you're dealing with Gemini. Use your wisdom. You know who you are. You like your independence, definitely. You like your independence here. Maaring naluto ka ba rito? Or, okay, dalawa yung storyline nito. Yung isa is, you found your true love and you're gonna move to the next level. Yes? If that's Gemini, yung true love mo, congratulations. Or if it's not Gemini, that will cause you a separation. I saw a Taurus here. Okay? Pareho kayong solid na earth sign. The compatibility is there. Okay? You're gonna be in full circle. Kung ano yung tinapos mo, there's a new beginning. That's what it means. You did make choices here, a lot of choices, pinag-isipan mo siya. Yes? Magpahinga ka. That's how it is. Ngayon, nasa stage ka na nagwiwindang-windang ka, nag-iisip-isip ka, then alam mo kung anong gusto mo. Sabi mo, Virgo, sa sarili mo, yeah, okay, mag-iisip muna ako, sabi mo. Nothing wrong. Nag-iisip ako, pero at the same time, magpapahinga muna ako. Sabi mo rin sa sarili mo. Virgo, sabi, talk to yourself, magpahinga ka. Nothing wrong. You want that independence? May pera ka? Yes. Structure ng buhay mo, you know. Alam mo, masaya ka doon. Yes. If you're not happy with Gemini, and then you want to have a separation, that's also your decision. Take responsibility. That's the new moon is telling you. Yes. Long-term goal, new beginning with somebody else. That's your, itanim mo rin siya. And new opportunities with a new partner. Nasa iyo pa rin yan. Whatever you make a decision, whatever decision, which way, yung ruta na pupuntahan mo, you're gonna have that winning moments. And also, there's no right or wrong, because alam mong laruin to, Virgo. That's your card, the Hermit. And you're facing the victory. Yeah? Kaya mong laruin yan. winning moments. So, I don't think this is even a problem. Wala kang pakialam dun sa ano. Ginawa mo na yung dapat mong gawin. So, it's time for you to take back your winnings. Yeah? 9 to 10, you close it down, you ended it, you've been on a crossroad again, ulitin ko, inuulit lang ng baraha, you make a decision. Validation, the Gemini here, it's a partnership in a crossroad. Okay? Dalawang Virgo yan. You made your choices. Whatever it is, pahinga mo, matulog ka, and bumitin-bitin ka. No problem. You're gonna ended up completing your cycle and you're gonna find your happiness. Yeah? Okay. So, anong gusto mo? New Moon, January 18, 2026. Anong gusto ang ruta ka pupunta rito? Long-term goal mo, take responsibility. Anong decision na pipiliin mo rito, Virgo? And prepare for new growth and new opportunities. Either way, winning ka. Okay? Winning ka. There's no right or wrong. There's no right or wrong sa decision po natin. You know who you are, Virgo. Yeah? Very admirable. Yeah? Okay. One more oracle. Moon oracle. One moon oracle para sa mga hardworking Virgo. Smart Virgo. Wisdom. Full of wisdom. Mga ano, kayo yung perfect. Kayo yung mga nagagalit madalas sa mga waiter pag mali yung order. Yeah. Tama po ba? Kapag yung tubig walang yelo or you only want ice water na without ice. Tama po ba? Okay. Ino-humor ko lang. Lahat po tayo meron ganito. Okay. Pero mostly Virgo. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sa'yo ba yun? Parang hindi. Hindi ko kukunin. Ba't tumitaw yung Pisces? Okay. Yeah. Oh, ito. Cancer. Para sa'yo to. Oh. Spend time with family or helping others. Avoid situations that can be a drain on your emotion. Yeah? Okay? Yung emotion daw, sandali, ayusin ko lang. Okay. So, kung meron kang cancer sa placement or cancer na kaibigan or whatsoever, na somebody who will help you to get away from that, mga emotional support natin. Meron tayong mga ganyan. So, avoid daw, spend time with your family. Yes? So, ano pa ang pwede kong makuha dito? Rest. Yeah, rest. Not physical. Pwedeng physical rest. Yeah, if we need that. But also resting with family. That's also another symbolism. So, yeah. So, winning moments ka rito. I'll just get your card here. You have the clarity and the award, recognition, and being true to yourself. So, January 18, new moon reading, setting long-term goals, taking responsibility, at saka prepare for new growth and opportunity. So, yeah. So, thank you. Thank you. Salamat, Virgo. Sana nag-enjoy ka. See you again.